she's the lead of the series, not of the season. Dr. Gargi is, you're going to see a lot of her from season 2 onwards.
That is being shot. Everything is done.
No, everything's not done.
Okay, the 5
Yeah.
episodes is yet to be.
Season 1 is over. Now we'll start season 2.
Achha, you'll start and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
it'll
yeah.
go
It's
longer.
not.
I thought ki they must have
No,
shot the
no,
10
no,
episodes.
no.
But are you excited for that?
I
Have
am.
you gone through the script and all?
No, we're still writing. Everyone's still writing. There's lots left to do.
Have you demanded something? Ki please put some, specific scenes.
Specific scenes, मतलब
And वैसे मन होता है ना कि I at least want this.
नहीं, no. I mean, like they write so well. I'm
Yeah,
really
that
excited
is
for
true.
whatever happens in season 2. I know it's a lot of arc, so I'm just excited for that.
Any, the old actors that we've seen, be it Sunita Rajwar in Panchayat or Gullak, be it the पुराने एक्टर जो अब जन्मे हैं फिर से, है ना, अब उनका एरा आया है, तो नीना जी हैं उनमें से एक. Do you have any plans and wishes to be with them in the same project?
Gajraj Rao sir, I love him. Today only I spoke to Bankaras from Panchayat. All these guys are they're legends. I did a song with Neena ma'am. With Jasleen Royal, so I was so excited with Jackie Shroff and Neena ma'am. Yeah, that was like better than working with anyone for me. I was like, these are two legends. It's so cool. Yeah, these people are so cool. So much to learn from them. So much experience. You also learn like real journeys from these people. It's very interesting.
बट ये ना मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, ये जो लोग होते हैं दे वेरी विद टू माउथ्स, है ना. वन सेज एक्ट्रेस जो है बहुत खूबसूरत है तो कमर्शियल करनी चाहिए, एंड फिर अगर खूबसूरत होने के बाद वो ऐसे रियल चीज़ों पे मुद्दे पे बात कर ले और ऐसे काम कर लेते, व्हाई शी इज डूइंग दैट, अरे शी इज डूइंग वेरी रियल सिनेमा, शी इज सपोज्ड टू बी इन दी कमर्शियल, अगर कमर्शियल कर ले शी इज नॉट फिटिंग कमर्शियल थिंग्स, शी शुड बी डूइंग दैट. सो हाउ डू यू टेक दैट?
I don't take that. I don't really give one hoot of what anyone has to say, in the sense that it's not anybody's business. I don't care. I know I want to do like varied, different stuff, and like that's the plan, man. You want to keep doing the same thing, then that's boring. You're not challenging yourself. You're not like, I also feel like I have a lot to offer. I'd like to believe I have a lot to offer. How, like, so I want to pick stuff in which like, oh shit, ये भी कर सकती है, oh shit, वो भी कर सकती है. Why not? That's the fun of it, right? Like to just challenge yourself, explore different parts of yourself, explore different characters.